god, you're doing the exact same thing the guy behind you is doing. He's pulling his hair back, but he's like... What are you doing in my car?
Chillaxing.
Trifodulating? Okay, I can't just get Martha's black face. Damn.
I can do this, hold on. And this. Let's do that. Watch my face. Haha, I got it.
You look like a ninja turtle.
Just pimpin', nigga.
Where's my glasses?
Pimp, pimp. Oh. Hold. Hi.
Oh,
Get it, a dig in my jig.
Did I take off my shirt?
Go ahead, I don't care.
I have a shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, look, my pants are this I should stick my ass out of the car.
Go ahead.
But there's no one to, when those guys come back, hey look, I put rice in your car.
I can't breathe in this shit.
Take it off. I need to check my text message. How come it isn't like every video I'm taking off something?
You know, I couldn't tell you. Look, titties. Those are on me today, too.
Yeah, they made your hair messy.
Where?
Oh my god, he's big with his penis.
He's probably thinking like crazy white girl.
He's watching the plane. He's watching the plane.
Yes, you Mexican. Yes, you. Look over here. I'm sorry.
You really should have got me killing that bug on camera.
You dig my jig?
You dig your jig?
You dig my jig?
Yeah, I was gonna do something. Oh yeah, my mom like came up to me when I got home from school. She's like, "What the fuck happened to your pants?" I'm like, "It is a hole." See, hole.
Why did it go? Oh, you're gonna break your car.
I broke my car last week. These pants. Here.
Look, panties. Robin's panties.
Can you see them?
Wait, hold on. Panties. Please don't. Oh my god, you're gonna break my kneecap. Okay.
I'm gonna break your thigh.
Look, toes.
Okay, I need to get up.
Yes, because you're like...
I had a penis when you get up.
Look, panties, haha.
It's like the panty size, it's like a small. It's small. Panty. The front's a lot bigger.
You know. That'd be funny if you fell out of the car. Oh god, if you fell out of the car, I'd piss myself.
This is like the best like area for like oral sex. Like, bitch.
I need a man around here.
Well, there's no one wants man. I need man.
Oh my god.
I should go run out and find a man. Oh, they just like came out like they. No, close your door. I'm not looking for you. Get a man.
You should drive the car and be like, man.
There's a green card on the green card.
Is there a Mexican looking for the green card?
There's a Mexican truck coming. He's not the man I want. I'm just looking for you, man. He's like looking at me.
You beaner. Is my windows rolled up? Is my windows rolled up?
Look, it's my boyfriend's secret for amazing sex.
Amazing sex.
Hold on, what's it about?
Look, amazing sex. Oh, amazing sex. Amazing sex.
Amazing sex. That is the key to amazing sex right there. Hold on.
Amazing
It's-
sex.
Yeah,
Amazing sex.
Wait, how long is the video so far? How many minutes are left?
12 minutes and
When it
32.
gets to like 10, turn it off.
30.
It started at like
29. 28. 24.
Oh my god, he achieves harder, stronger erections than my orgasms.
Harder, stronger! Harder, stronger! Harder, stronger! Yeah, 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 yeah. a dig in my jig, and the berries in high feet. Look at them in high feet. Ha 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 high feet. Ha 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 high feet. Yippity!
You know how many cards I have?
Mexican.
Oh, I wanted to show you this. I have sperm. Lori gave me one. No, his name
Look
is...
how pretty my nails look.
Wait, what's his name?
Look how pretty
Wait,
it looks.
his name is...
Wait. Look, my fingers in your titties. No, wait, let me see it.
Come get it.
Where'd it go? Okay.
Where'd they go? There's only one. Two of these.
Damn it, where'd it go? Hold on.
Turn it the other way.
No, wait!
Turn it the other way so you can see the eyes. The eye of the sperm.
Oh, Robin's head. Oh. You can't see because it's sperm.
Where's my tongue?
Sperm, right there. Lick. Wait, do it again. Lick the sperm. Lick it.
You can lick the sperm of the giraffe.
Lick.
Can I touch it?
No.
Wait.
Lick. Oh, look, penis. It's like giraffe penis.
Like that, right?
No, like that.
Oh my god. It's like
Oh, wait. I have to stop it in about 5. Trace, dose, 1, 0.
Okay, you can press. Not
Oh,
that one.